Hey Bearcats, get ready to take your exam with confidence using non-visual desktop access, also known as NVDA. We've designed a quick demo to show you how to use this text-to-voice tool on a Windows device. Open NVDA on your device, which will automatically start reading the activity from the screen.
Welcome to NVDA. Welcome.
Open Lockdown Browser and sign in if prompted. Navigate to Courses in the menu on the left side of the screen. Select the course for the exam, then select the exam to begin taking it. Hover over the exam questions and answers to hear the NVDA reader.
Which of the following was not a reason?
When you complete the exam, select Save and Submit. If you have questions, Services for Students with Disabilities are here to help you at 936-294-3512 or disability@shsu.edu.